What kind of
The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a tornado warning for South Central Weld County, Northeastern Denver County, Western Adams County, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:13 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Bar Lake, or 14 miles northeast of Denver, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Heavy rain is accompanying this storm. Therefore, any tornado will probably be obscured by the heavy rain. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include northeastern Denver, northwestern Aurora, Thornton, northeastern Westminster, eastern Broomfield, Commerce City, eastern North Glen, Brighton, Denver International Airport, Fort Lupton, Lotchpoo, Hudson, Keenesburg, Prospect Valley, DIA Terminal and Concourses, Bar Lake, Wattenberg, Henderson, Darby and Tot Creek. Precautionary preparedness actions: take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Motorists should not take shelter under highway overpasses. If you cannot safely drive away from the tornado, as a last resort, abandon your vehicle and lie down in a low-lying area and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see.